Roll it, roll it. Whoa. Good job. What are you making, kid?
The mouth.
Round. Whoa.
The round.
Go round. Yes! Good job, Calvin. Whoa, you're adding the sauce on your pizza. Whoa, Calvin's making a pizza. Looks good, man. You're adding your cheese. Yay! Good job. Whoa, add your ingredients.
No.
Tomatoes? No. Yeah, good job. Whoa, where's your cheese? Oh no. Add your... Oh no. Tomato! Cheese! Cheese! Good job, Calvin. Oh no. Tomato. Oh no. Pepperoni. Uh-oh. Oh no. Yes! Yes! High five, Calvin! Yay! Yes! Good job! Put it in the oven! Turn it on! Whoa, let's watch it cook! Whoa! Yeah! You got some good ingredients on there, man! What you want to cook now? Cook pizza! Eat your pizza! Yummy! Yummy in my tummy! Okay, what you gonna make now? This one! Good job, Calvin!
Whoa, yeah!
Whoa! High five! Yay! Oh yeah, you making some good food, man! Mix it up! Whoa! Good job, Calvin! Looking good, man!
Go move it!
Whoa! Roll your dough! Good job! Good job! Roll your dough! Whoa! Whoa, a star! Yeah, high five! Good job, Calvin! Whoa! Whoa, good job, man! Whoa! Yes! You did it!
No!
Oh no, it's okay. Yes! Oh no!
No!
You got it. Yes! Good job, Calvin.
Why?
Yes!
What?
You got it.
What? What's in that?
Here, let's do it. Let's go. Dad's gonna help Calvin. Go. Oh no, not that one.
This one.
Yeah! Yeah! Good job. Add your sauce. Whoa, that looks good, Calvin. You're making Dad really hungry. Nom, 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 nom. That looks tasty. Whoa! In the oven. Yeah! You're gonna cook some good food, man. Whoa!
Go the bike.
Wow!
Alright.
Yeah! Whoa.
Wait.
What are you gonna make now? You gonna make another one? Okay. Boy, that looks like a lot of cheeses.
No.
No, no, no.
No.
Oh no, it's okay. Good job, Calvin. Cheese. You're good at this, Calvin. Oh yeah. Yum, 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 yum. We're gonna eat so good today, man. You're making all the pizzas. Yum, 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 yum. Yeah. Oh, you got 2 more. Let's get them.
No.
What?
No.
It's okay. You eat too much pizza, man. You gotta slow down. You're eating too much pizza.
No, this one. Over there.
Oh no. It's at that one? Yeah! 2 thumbs up, Calvin. You're so good. Whoa. I think that's an egg. There's an egg right here. Let's make room. Whoa, there it goes. Yeah, dude. You're so good, Calvin. Whoa. Stir it all up. Calvin, man, you're making so many pizzas. We're gonna have so much food for a lifetime. Whoa, roll your dough, roll your dough. Whoa. He's rolling it, you guys. Calvin's rolling. Good job, man. Oh, then you got a little bit more to roll on the right side. Good job. Yeah. Square. Good job, Calvin. Oh. Oh yeah. That's some good sauce on that pizza, man. That looks good, Calvin. Add your ingredients. Whoa, whoa, that's a lot of cheese. Put it in the oven. Cheese. That looks good, dude. Oh man, thanks, man. Is that for Dad? Can I have that pizza? Yum, 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 yum. Ah, thanks, you guys. Good job, Calvin. Peace.